Alright, so we're going to take a moment to investigate something that's happening here in the front yard. We have a lot of apples on the ground. Some of them have been munched on. And what, pray tell, have we here? Huh. Wow. Signs of a very large critter that is having his way with the apple tree. Yeah. I think we know what kind of a critter does that. It's big and it's brown. And it's the symbol on the state of California flag. And he's in my backyard. Actually, this is my front yard. That's very nice, Smokey. I appreciate you coming and helping yourself to the apples.